How to use Hedra AI tutorial for beginners. Hedra AI is a platform that lets you create AI-powered talking videos by animating photos or avatars with realistic lip sync, voiceovers, and expressions. Beginners can start by uploading a photo, writing a script, and letting Hedra generate a video in minutes. So to get started, go ahead and log in or sign up for an account on Hedra AI. So if you don't have an account, you can simply sign up for an account and that will take you here. So in here, you can manually enter your first name, last name, and the email that you want to use for your Hedra account. You can also continue with your Google account if you want to create an account with your Google account on Hedra. So select your Google account from here. And then on the next step, you need to authorize the connection between Hedra and your Google account. And after that, you'll be taken to your home screen. So on your homepage, you'll be able to find the latest tools available on Hedra AI. So as you can see, you can generate a video, image, or Nano Banana Pro. So you can also find VEO 3.1 and Sora 2 on Hedra AI. So to be able to generate a video, what you need to do first is to go ahead and head over into the video tab. And then on the video tab, go ahead and select the AI version that you want to use for generating the video. And then in here, you need to add a character and add speech for your video and then describe your video into the section. So once you have incorporated all of the required information, your video would be generated into this section. Now, if you want to generate an image, simply head over into the image tab, and then you need to simply describe the image that you want to generate on Hedra AI. You can also take inspiration from the inspiration tab. And then on the audio, you can go ahead and generate AI voiceovers on Hedra AI. Now, once we head to the composer section, you can go ahead and create a composition on Hedra AI. And on the real-time avatar section, you can go ahead and create real-time avatar on Hedra AI. So you just need to enter your command into the section and you'll be able to generate an avatar on Hedra AI. So there are different avatar types that you can create on Hedra AI. So you can make your own avatar using your command or with an image that you have. And on the library section, you'll be able to find all of the creations that you have on Hedra AI. And that is how you can basically use Hedra AI.